Yes, I had a wonderful experience dito sa mentoring session kasi nga we had personal time with the talents at to get to know them more and to help them advance. Yun naman ang goal natin. Ang highlight is to really know how to work as a team, kailan magsusupport, kailan magbibigay, kailan magli-lead, kailan makikinig. At pag nagawa mo lahat yun, you become a strong force no matter 5 kayo or 2 kayo. General advice, most of them are nervous. Please don't be nervous or use your nervousness to fuel your performance. And most of all, rehearse para natural na sa inyo. Kasi I-feel ko yung iba kulang sa rehearsal. Kaya hindi pa nila alam kung saan pupunta. Pero I am confident na magagawa niyo.